Most business owners think that YouTube is oversaturated and that it's basically too late. But I'm basically here to tell you that that is not true. YouTube is a still growing platform, one, and two, most business owners are not even on it or they don't take it seriously. So we're going to talk about why now is the best time for you to start using YouTube in your business. So number one, YouTube is still relatively early for business owners. It has 2.5 billion users, but the majority of those people are not creating, they're just watching. And again, if they are creating, they don't think about it for the long run, they don't think about it for the long haul, and they give up at like the slightest sense of like an inconvenience. Another reason is a lot of business owners are actually still relying on like Instagram, Facebook ads, and they're still focusing a lot on like short-term marketing sort of like tactics. And another thing is that a lot of business owners think that you need to go viral on YouTube to start getting clients and start to make money, when that is simply just not true. If you have the right strategy on YouTube, then you can start to bring in clients, and it'll actually be easier for you to close those clients because they've watched so much of your content. And as opposed to Instagram, where in my opinion they do like a lot of price hopping, and they're just not sure of what they want. Number two is that creating YouTube videos, it actually does not take as long as you think it does, especially with the help of AI. So there is now AIs. AI can basically help you with the whole YouTube process. Now, that's not to say to use AI to just like do the whole process and like literally become your voice. But with the power of AI, you can like use it to help you get things done faster. So you can help AI to write scripts super fast, bullet points. You can get AI to help you create thumbnails. You can get AI to analyze your YouTube videos. You can get AI to help you edit the videos in some cases. Like, there's just so many different AI tools that are actually, they're very inexpensive, that can help you speed up the process and help you to not spend your whole week, your whole day on creating YouTube videos. And then on top of that, what the sort of AI advantage with YouTube is that when you start to create YouTube videos, your videos start to show up in the AI search results. So not only are you using it to help you create the YouTube videos, but you can then start showing up in ChatGPT, you can start showing up in Claude, and all the other AI platforms. There's even this AI platform, and I can't remember if I did a video on this or not, but it's made by Google. It's called Notebook LM, and you know what they do? They have this AI tool where they let people extract YouTube videos to sort of like get people information faster, and you can make sort of like these notebook, and basically it sums up the YouTube video. It's really cool. Search up Notebook LM. I love that tool. And so on the point of AI, with AI becoming like more popular, and there's all of these AI videos and people are cloning themselves and making them look like robots, which is like a whole different thing. You're gonna like stand out even more if you're just literally just showing up and being yourself, as opposed to you trying to clone yourself and be an AI. So people will be like, wow, that's like an actual person, So just by you showing up, getting on camera, it helps you stand out. Another reason why now is the best time to start a YouTube channel. Most people are literally still scared to get on video. People still have a fear of being on camera. They have a fear of being themselves. They have perfectionism issues. Like, there's just so many sort of like mindset hurdles and other hurdles that people have to work through to get on YouTube, stay consistent on YouTube. So like, if you could just get past all of that and literally just start, you're literally ahead. Fourth reason why now is the best time to start a YouTube channel is that YouTube is an evergreen asset. So basically what this means is your content basically lives forever. So on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, each of these platforms, they have shelf life. Instagram, 24 hours. LinkedIn, 48. Facebook, it's somewhere in between the two. TikTok, it's literally like 2 minutes. If you don't get past the 2 minutes on TikTok and they don't deem your video like, push worthy, your video's not. And it's gonna, it might resurface later, but it's like, they're not pushing it. With YouTube, your videos can literally be found months and years later. And so if you literally put more time into creating YouTube videos, you can create sort of like that evergreen library. Recently, I took a month off of YouTube, and when I came back, I noticed my videos were still gaining views, even when I was gone. And then when I started posting videos again, those videos started getting more views. So it's like, your videos are going to continue to get views, they're going to continue to bring in leads, even when you're not posting as frequently. Next reason, and this kind of goes with the other one, is building a personal brand and sort of like a legacy. Like a lot of my clients, the reason why they get on YouTube is they literally want to build a legacy. They don't want to have to create content that's going to disappear in 24 to 48 hours. They want it to be they want it to be found now, and they also want it to be found, years into the future. And it's just like they have all of this information, they have all of this expertise, they went through so many things that they just want to share their story. And YouTube is honestly the best place to do that. I've recently just started posting more vlogs on my channel, and I used to create, the mini vlogs on Instagram, and I used to put them on TikTok, and it was cute. It was cute little videos, those cute little mini vlogs. But I was like, if I'm going to do this, I might as well literally just record most of the videos in like it's not a vertical. I might as well record it in YouTube format and just put like full-blown documentaries on YouTube. That makes more sense for me, and that content lasts way longer and can do way more for me than putting a little vlog with like cute videos on Instagram. Now, of course, that has its place, but I was like, I'm gonna put these videos on YouTube because not only are they going to be watched now, but these are assets that can use later. And guess what? I now have more B-roll for my videos. I'm my own B-roll because I'm literally just like recording blog content. So basically, I say all of that to say this. It's literally never been easier to get on YouTube to start. It doesn't require as much effort as you think. I am actually hosting an in-person event in Philadelphia where I am going to be with 14 people in a room, and I'm literally showing them my whole process from start to finish. So we're going to go over how exactly YouTube works. We're going to be doing actual workshops. So it's like, this is not a conference where I'm just going to talk at you the whole time. I can't do it. This is going to be a workshop where you're actually going to get stuff done. So we're going to plan out 3 months of your actual content, where I'm going to show you how to edit super fast, so you're not spending your whole weekend editing. And I'm also going to show you my process for creating thumbnails, and you're going to come up with your own thumbnails. So we're going to do this. It's going to happen in December, and you're going to have 3 months worth of your content planned, all ready to go before January comes, because that's the whole thing where people are like, I'm going to wait until the year. And then they realize how much work goes into it, and they're like, and then it just never happened. So we're going to do the in-person event. If you're interested, the link is down below. If you just cannot make it to Philadelphia, which is fine, then you can book a call with me. And, I can also help you get on YouTube virtually. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.